In this video, I'll show you how to quickly find answers to any unfamiliar questions that you come up during your Google Meet calls. Let's start by installing the Ask Me extension. Open the Google Chrome Web Store and search for Ask Me. Here is it. Click Add to Chrome button to automatically add and enable it for your Google Meet. Once added, it becomes a part of your Google Meet and you can use it during your calls without any hassle. On the right side of your screen, you'll find Ask Me. To start using it, simply log in. Hi everyone. Now it's ready to assist you and you can easily move, collapse or even hide the panel, like this. During the meeting, as someone speaks, you will see a real-time transcript here of what being said. Click on any participant icon to see the recordings of their conversation during the calls. Currently, I'm the only one on the call, so it's already filtered for me only. If a question comes up that you don't know the answer to, you can get a response in just one click. Each transcribed message from participants comes with two options, ask and explain. If you need a direct answer to an unfamiliar question, you need to click ask. And if you need more context and insight on unfamiliar topic, you need to click explain. Ask Me provides you with a full answer within seconds. Let's try it out with the question: what are the best practices in cybersecurity? And I'm clicking Ask. In the top part, I can see my question, and below it, I can see the answer on this question. I can easily navigate through several prepared answers or explanations, or I can go to the main view to transcript. This feature is incredibly useful, especially during interview calls, client meetings, sales presentations, webinars, and team meetings. Ask Me can improve any call, making your meetings more effective and productive.